Good morning, dear students. Today I will take revision from chapter 8, and name of the chapter 8 is the food for health. Name of the chapter 8 is the food for health. And we know that food is very important for our body, for growth, for repairing the damaged parts, and for everything. Food is very essential for growth, for maintenance, and for repairing the damaged parts. And if we will not take the proper food or proper diet, then we will suffer from different types of diseases. So we can say that food is very important for us. And food is categorized into different types, like energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods, and protective foods. So first we will learn about introduction. Anything that we eat and drink, that is our food, and food affects our body. We know that food affects our body, and it gives life energy to the body. It gives life energy to the body, and therefore food is essential for life. So we can say that food is essential for life, and our body is growing and changing all the time. We can say that our body is growing and changing all the time. A few years ago, you were just a child with teeny arms and legs and small teeth. But you have grown up. What has made this change? It is the food that you have been taking over these years. Still, you are growing and putting on weight, and only the food is responsible for it. If we will take the proper food, then it is good for our body, and it is good for our health. But if we will take the proper food, and when you are sleeping soundly, the food is doing its work, and it passes through a long system. It produces a store of energy for you, and also it builds the different parts of your body. And when you wake up, you feel fresh, active, and strong, and the food has made you like that. So food has much to do with your growth and health, and without it these things are not possible. And our body needs different kinds of food to stay healthy. Our body needs different kinds of food to stay healthy. What is the energy giving food? What is the energy giving food? Some food, we can say that some food gives us energy, and we use this energy to work, play, study. And foods such as wheat, rice, sugar, butter, ghee, and oils gives us energy. Some energy giving foods are oil, ghee, sugar, butter, rice, wheat, etc. These are the energy giving foods, and we use this energy to work, play, study, and different things. Bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding foods. What is the bodybuilding foods? Some foods help our body to make muscles, bones, skin, and other organs, and they also help our body to mend when it is damaged. Pulses, milk, cheese, eggs, and meat build our body. Some body building foods are like meat, milk, egg, cheese, pulses, etc. And protective foods. What is the protective foods? Some food protect us from diseases. Some food protect us from diseases and ill health, like milk, vegetables, and fruits protect us from diseases. So they are called the protective foods. And water. Water is essential for health. We know that water is essential for health. It helps in maintaining our body temperature. It helps in maintaining our body temperature. We should drink 6 to 8 glass water every day to remain healthy. And water is also essential for the body. If we will drink water properly, then it is help the food into the digesting. If we will take food, then it help in the digestion also, and water is very helpful. What is the balanced meal? What is the balanced meal? A meal containing cereals, pulses, milk, butter, vegetables, fruits, etc. in right quantity is called a balanced meal. What is the balanced meal? A meal containing cereals, pulses, milk, butter, vegetables, fruits, etc. in right quantity is called a balanced meal. So if we will take the balanced meal, then it is good for our health, and it is very essential for the body. If we will take everything just like energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food, these three foods are in little bit in proper quantity, then it is good for the health and it is good for our body. So this is called the meal that includes the energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods, and protective foods. That is called the balanced meal. So balanced meal is very important for our body. To remain healthy, what should we do to remain healthy? You must follow some rules to keep yourself healthy. You must follow some rules to keep yourself healthy. Eat your meals at regular intervals. Eat your meals at regular intervals. Wash your hands before each meal. Wash your hands before each meal. Eat fresh and properly cooked food. Eat fresh and properly cooked food. Eat slowly and chew the food well. Eat slowly and chew the food well. And eat in clean plates and at a clean place. Both are very important. Eat in clean plates and at a clean place. Both are very important. Do not eat too much or too little food. And do not make a habit of eating fast food items. If you will take fast food items, that it is very harmful for the body. And do not eat uncovered food. Do not eat uncovered food from street vendors. It contains dust and germs. Wash vegetables and fruits before eating them. Rinse your mouth after each meal. And what have you learned in this chapter? So we cannot live without food, as we know that we cannot live without food. And some food gives us energy. Some food gives us energy, and some foods help our body grow. Some food keeps us healthy. Eating balanced meal is good for health. Eating balanced meal is good for health. Our meal should contain different types of food every day. And our health is related to our eating habits. Our health is related to our eating habits. We should develop good eating habits. So it is good for our body and it is good for our health. And as we know that milk is a wholesome food. Milk is a wholesome food. We should drink milk every day. We should drink milk every day, and keeping proper gaps between your meals help you to digest the food. And now come to the fill in the blanks. Wheat, rice, sugar and butter are energy giving foods. Pulses, milk and eggs are bodybuilding foods. Vegetables and fruits are protective foods. Our meal should be balanced meal. Our health is related to our eating habits. Write T for true and F for false. Food gives us energy to work and play. Fruits and vegetables are bodybuilding foods. Eating only fast food will make us healthy. Water has nothing to do with our health. Now come to the true or false. Food gives us energy to work and play. True. Second, fruit and vegetables are bodybuilding foods. False. Eating only fast food will make us healthy. False. Water has nothing to do with our health. False. We should eat a balanced meal. True. Why do we need food? Food gives us energy to grow, play, and work. How does food help us? How does food help us? It gives us life energy to the body, and so it is essential for the life. What is balanced meal? A meal containing cereals, pulses, milk, meat, butter, ghee, fruits, vegetables in right quantity, in appropriate quantity is called balanced meal. Write 5 good eating habits. Eat your meal at regular intervals. Wash your hands before each meal. Eat fresh and properly cooked food. Eat slowly and chew the food well. Eat in clean plates and at a clean place. Do not eat too much or too little food. Do not make a habit of eating fast food items. Do not eat uncovered food from street vendors. It contains dust and germs. Wash vegetables and fruits before eating them. Many are there, you can write 1 or 2. So this is the revision of chapter 8.